Guys, Trey May 10 back again with another mystery pack. I didn't do last month's because I was sick and I was just sniffling all over through the video, and so I was like, I'm not going to upload that. But I will assure you I didn't get anything too exciting. So hopefully we've got some goodies in this one. Here goes our first pack. And we got another Dream On. Some people dream of success while other people get up every morning and make it happen. Wayne Huizenga. I probably mispronounced that. This is one of my favorite straps that I own, and I've actually given away a couple. I really like Japanese aesthetics and all that kind of thing, and then the inside just has Dream On. Oh wait, Dream On 3 times around there. Oh, look at that. This is number 333. I guess that's a little interesting. On to the next one. And we got Feel Good. I've been thinking about getting this one, but just haven't, jumped on it. Life is a sea of vibrant color. Jump in. A.D. Posey. This one's pretty interesting. Right there we've got like a chameleon, I'm gonna say. And then some other kind of designs in here. It gives me a slight Mayan feel with like a futuristic touch. A more modern touch. I like that one. Sweet. Now that I see it in person, I should have got this one myself sooner. Last one. And we got I think this is January's essential. You Are Loved. The more love you give, the more love you receive. And this has like a traditional tattoo rose look to it. And then on the inside, you are loved, and some more roses, and it's number 298. I'll be able to give this one away, I think, tonight. Alright, not too bad. That'll conclude this mystery pack unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I still need to work on some hoodie reviews, but I'm just not really sure what to say. Do love the hoodies though. This string is called Observe. So yeah, hopefully I'll get a hoodie review up for you guys soon, and then I've also bought the camera bag and some capsules and some tension straps, so look forward to that stuff.